On March 7, 2020, 23-year-old Keelan Hawkins was arrested and charged in the Harris County criminal courts with driving while intoxicated. That same day, she was released on a so-called general order bond under Harris County Local Rule 9, which requires that, with the exception of defendants in certain so-called carve-out categories, all misdemeanor arrests must be given an unsecured personal bond and promptly released without the need for a judge to sign off first. In other words, for most misdemeanor arrests in the county, release happens automatically, and the sheriff is instructed to let the person go without collecting an upfront payment or holding a separate in-person bond hearing. Harris County's general order bond system is unique, as it was created as part of the November 21st, 2019 consent decree resulting from the 2016 class action lawsuit of O'Donnell versus Harris County, which alleged that the county's then existing misdemeanor bail practices were unconstitutional. The consent decree imposed bail reforms in Harris County, including the implementation of the general order bond. After Ms. Hawkins was released on a general order bond, her arraignment was scheduled for March 13, 2025 in the courtroom of Judge David Flecker, who was tasked with determining whether there was probable cause to support the charge and revisiting the issue of bail. Ms. Hawkins's defense attorney of record was Greg Holton, but Mr. Holton's colleague, Aaron White, handled the arraignment. Good morning, Ms. Hawkins. Good morning. Ma'am, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and/or $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, ma'am. On March 6 at approximately 10:29 p.m., the officer observed a vehicle driving with expired registration. As of March 2021, a traffic stop was initiated. However, the vehicle continued to travel down the feeder road Part 2, next video.